Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next product in exchange for an honest review, and it's exactly what I'm going to do. I've been using this new SABLUTE wireless keyboard and mouse combo for about a week now, and I'm going to tell you all the cool things I've discovered about it. First of all, it's a nice looking set. The mouse itself is kind of a silver, almost a metallic looking. It's got a metal rolling wheel in there for scrolling. It does have a nice little light in the back, LED light that actually varies in the back. The keyboard itself is also kind of that same silvery plastic color. It's just a nice sophisticated looking keyboard. It does not look like a toy at all. It looks like a nice keyboard, and it types very well. It has very soft clicks. It's not a loud clicker, so if you like that click, 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 this is not for you. If you're going to work in a quiet environment, in a library, in an office, somewhere where you don't want to annoy people and you like the softer clicks, these are actually very good regular size keys, but very good soft clicks. But it's a good click. It's a good keyboard to type with. Once you kind of get using it, it's a really nice keyboard. You will appreciate the niceness of the keys. And the mouse itself is an optical mouse. It's got a little red light there. I don't use a mouse pad at all, and it's been working fine. So here's how the whole thing works. You got a couple little pieces. You get a little tiny USB key, and this little USB key is USB-A right here. And what you do with this is you actually plug this into your desktop or your laptop. Just kind of plug it into a USB-A port. If you don't have a USB-A port, that's okay. It comes with a little converter so that you can go ahead and plug this into a little converter, and then you can go ahead and use USB-C. USB-A is the bigger USB ports. Computers that are 4 or 5 years old, they're going to have those. The brand new computers out in the last 2, 3, 4 years, they might only have USB-C ports, so this is compatible with both. Once you plug your USB key in, you're going to want to turn on your mouse. There's a little on-off button down there. I want to turn it on. You also want to turn on your keyboard. There's a little on-off button on the back. Just turn it to on, and that's it. It works. All you got to do is turn these two things on, have your USB key plugged in, and it works. Here we go. I can scroll up and down now. I can type just like that. It just works. I was actually pretty impressed by it. Now, a couple things. These are wireless. There are no wires around them. So you do get a charging cable. The charging cable is USB-A on one side, USB-C on the other. And the way this works is the USB-C can plug into the front of the mouse right there. And then you plug this into a power block or even into a PC that might actually be powered. That will go ahead and charge this. This little red light in the middle here will actually indicate if it needs charging. When it's charging, it turns red as well. Or your keyboard, same idea. You can charge your keyboard up on the side right here. Just plug the cord in, plug it into a USB block, charge it up. The charge lasts a long time. I believe the keyboard's got like a year-long standby, and the mouse has something like 200 plus days. I've been using it for about a week or so. Obviously, I haven't had any problems. I did charge both up. I don't expect to have any issues whatsoever. The keyboard itself is very comfortable. It's got a slight incline to it. It also has this cool little slot where you can go ahead and take a phone. You can put it in there, turn it on. You can watch a movie if you wanted to. You can turn it up like this. You can go ahead and watch your text messages. You could probably fit a small tablet in there as well if you wanted to. It's just a nice feature that you don't normally see on keyboards, so I appreciate that. This is a really great wireless keyboard and mouse combo. They both work perfectly well. Again, soft, quiet keys, nice motion on the mouse, ergonomic. It's got a good scroll wheel. Everything's great. No complaints about it. But the real fun happens when the lights go out. So here I am at night. You notice right off the bat, the mouse itself does have a nice little LED on it. And what it does is it kind of rotates through various colors while it goes here. The colors will slowly rotate. It'll go from blues and reds, the purples, the yellows, the greens. It just kind of fades around. Now, after a few minutes, the light will actually go off to save power, but you just bump it again, the lights will come back on. The real fun comes with the keyboard. The keyboard has a backlight. See, right now you can't even see what all the keys are. Well, I'm going to hold down the FN button, and I'm going to turn on the backlight. Look at that. Wow. Now, the cool thing with the backlight is there are 7 different colors to choose from. And you can even change the brightness of them. I'm not sure if you'll notice the brightness too much here on the screen, but let's give it a shot. I'm going to hold down the FN key, and there's 2 little arrow keys over here. It's nice that you have separate arrow keys, and you can make them a little bit brighter, I think it was brightness, and you can kind of bring the brightness down. You really can't see it on the screen too much, but it is actually noticeable here. There's 3 different levels of brightness. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the different colors. So I'm going to press on the FN button, and I'm going to go ahead and change my color. So we have like a teal. There we go. There's a beautiful yellow, nice purple, a white, just kind of a plain white, dark blue. This is a green, nice red, and now we're back to the light blue or the teal. Very, very cool. I really like this keyboard. And there we go. I actually usually keep it on I usually like yellow or purple. Honestly, whatever reason, I like that. One more cool feature that is often forgotten is that you can plug these things in and charge them and still use them. They can both be used while being charged. So the cord can get plugged into the front of the mouse and you can still use it while it's charging. Same with the keyboard. Keyboard can plug into the side. You can still type while it's charging. A lot of Apple products can't do that. This keyboard solved that problem. No problem whatsoever. You just move them and use these things as they're charging. It's great. You never have to worry about battery coming out because the minute it does, you just plug it back in and just keep using it. It's that cool. Overall, this is a really cool combo. I just love the colors. I like the way the mouse changes colors like that. It's very comfortable. It looks good with or without the backlight on. And I like the fact that I have 7 different colors. Again, I've been using it for a week. It's a comfortable type. It's a comfortable mouse. The whole set is just highly recommended. I really enjoy this.